Good morning, folks. We got a couple emails last day or so about the proofreading packet. It's a little, I don't say confusion, but just want to go over a few things of kind of how the directions work. I mean, I feel it's pretty self-explanatory, but in case it's not, here's a video. I'm going to go over the first 5 pages or so for you. So on page one, page 2 and page 3, it's building your proofreading skills. So what you're looking for in these 2 pages is you're looking for the word that's spelled correctly. So the example or the sample I gave you is for apologize. And if you look across that row, the word apologize, the correct spelling is B. And I circled that. And then the next one goes to formula and then concessions and grateful. That's on page 2, and then when you go to page 3, it's athlete library February, and so on and so forth. So when you look at these here, right? Again, this packet's not due until the end of this month or May 1st. So again, here's the sample right here of the first word, and then there's these rows that have a different word in each one, and you're trying to find the word that's spelled correctly. Same thing on this page. Okay, get a whole bunch of words. You just continuing where you're going or what you've been doing, and you find the correct spelling in the row. All right, so you just circle it, and that's all you have to do. Again, you guys have the luxury right now of being able to search online for the answers to these questions. So if you're not sure on it, if you know what the answer for sure, then by all means circle it. But if you don't know, then go through and use the internet to find out what the correct spelling is. The next page, which is now page, my number's cut off, page 4. Page 4, it's the spelling words or words that have the spelling I-B-L-E and A-B-L-E in it. And if you look right here, again, it gives you the information up here at the top. And then right here, the word is charitable. And you can see that I have it spelt with A-B-L-E. That's the correct spelling. And then it's also spelled with I-B-L-E, which would be the wrong way to spell it. But again, you just go through the words and you circle the word that is spelled correctly in the row itself. Okay, so you get this row, you find the correct spelling, right? Page 5, this is spelling errors, common spelling errors with I-E and E-I. So I before E, except after C, all those rules that you might have learned in English. So what you're going to do here, this is in a paragraph form. So again, if you notice in the example, you have the word foreign right there and soldier and shield and field, and they're spelled correctly. It has the I before E or E before I, whichever it pertains to. And then in this paragraph, you just need to go through the whole paragraph and put IE or EI, depending on the correct spelling of the word. All right, so take a look at that. And again, feel free. You have the opportunity. If you're not sure how to spell something, go check it out online, because this is an exercise just to help you build proofreading skills. All right. Next page, I'm going to go up to page 7 here. So the next page, on page 5, it's the most common words that are used incorrectly. So as we all know, there's there's T-H-E-I-R, there's T-H-E-R-E, and there's T-H-E-Y apostrophe R-E, and then there's the twos through and so on and so forth. So when you look at these words, what I'm asking you to do on this page right here is you're going to write a sentence using that word in the correct way. All right. Again, pretty straightforward. This does go on to continue on to page 7 right here. And then right here on the bottom of page 7, it's similar to what you just did, but the words, like for the example, it says their parents parked the car over there. And what's happening in these sentences is the words are flipped. So the T-H-E-I-R, which is their parents is the possessive, would be here in the front of the sentence, and then the T-H-E-R-E would be at the end of the sentence. So you would flip these. So you would just put arrows of where these words would go. And there's only 7 here. So again, you're looking for the words that need to be flipped, and you just put arrows just like this example here. All right. Hope you guys get this. Hopefully everybody's moving along with some of the other stuff that's due. But if you have any questions, feel free. Again, send me an email. It's the easiest way to get a hold of me. And that's it. I hope everybody has a nice Easter. Again, if you have any questions, shoot me an email. Thanks a lot.